This is the class of macroeconomics, chapter 1, that is introduction. We will discuss in this chapter introduction of macroeconomics. Firstly, if you are not subscribed the channel of St. Xavier, so please subscribe it now. First topic is microeconomics. Microeconomics we have already understand in the class 11th when we talk about a single producer, single consumer, single industry, single individual person, single product. So that is known as microeconomics. Here examine the functions of individual, industries, consumers, producer and the product, that is microeconomics. Another one is macroeconomics. It deals with the Indian economy or economy as a whole. When we talk about the total income, total production, total product, etc., so it is known as macroeconomics. Next topic is aggregate behavior. Aggregate behavior means the behavior of household and the firm together. Means household means the consumer. Okay, so behavior of the consumers and behavior of the firms when we see as a together, so it is known as aggregate behavior, means the total behavior. Next one is sticky price. Sticky price, it is a price that always adjusts rapidly, means it have to maintain the equality between the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied in the market. Okay, next one is three concern of macroeconomics. There are three concern given here. One is output growth, another one unemployment, another one inflation and deflation. So firstly we discuss output growth. In under the output growth we have to discuss four things. First one is aggregate output, means the total output. It is defined total quantity of goods and services produced in the economy in a given period. Next one is recession. It is a period which is means aggregate decline in the two consecutive quarters. When ऐसा हो सकता है जब दो क्वार्टर्स में लगातार हमारा डिक्लाइन जा रहा हो, रिसेशन आ सकता है उस टाइम पे. नेक्स्ट वन इज डिप्रेशन. डिप्रेशन मीन्स होता है डीप रिसेशन, मीन्स अ बिग रिसेशन, जिसको हम बड़ा रिसेशन कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सपेंशन और बूम. एक्सपेंशन और बूम, दैट इज अ पीरियड ऑफ बिजनेस साइकिल विच इज अ ट्रॉफ अप टू द पीक, मीन्स सबसे डाउन पे जाता है, उससे फिर हमारा पीक पे चला जाता है, मीन्स लॉस होने के बाद एकदम से हमको प्रॉफिट हो जाता है. दैट इज क्रिएट ड्यूरिंग विच द आउटपुट एंड द एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉल्स. इसमें हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी घट जाता है और आउटपुट को भी फेस करना पड़ता है. सी दिस फिगर हियर गिवन, जीडीपी इज दिस साइड, टाइम इज दिस साइड. In this section we have see like trough situation where we faces the loss or the fall in the employment, then it increase like, so this is a situation of boom when it's create at the top point, that is means peak, then it's gone fall down, so it's a recession again. Then when we face lots of loss, so it is trough situation, again it's up. So that is the where they meets both of the section. This line is known as trend growth. Okay, so in this section we have to examine that what is the introduction of macroeconomics. Next topic is unemployment. The topic is unemployment. Unemployment means person wanted to do the job but there is a shortage of employment, means the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed, means जो person अभी तक अभी बाकी है जिनको job नहीं मिली, that is called unemployment. Inflation. Inflation means an increase in the overall price level. कोई भी ऐसा प्राइस लेवल जो बढ़ता रहे, दैट इज इन्फ्लेशन. अ हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन इज अ पीरियड ऑफ वेरी रैपिड इंक्रीज इन द ओवरऑल प्राइस लेवल, मीन्स बहुत ही स्पीड से जो हमारे प्राइस लेवल को बढ़ा रहा हो, दैट इज हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन. डिफ्लेशन इज अ डिक्रीज इन द ओवरऑल प्राइस लेवल. वो चीज़ जो डिक्रीज हो रही हो, वो प्राइस जो डे बाई डे डिक्रीज हो रहा हो, दैट इज डिफ्लेशन. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी. दिस इज मच chapter. We will discuss the next chapter in the next video.